Ramadan Kareem everybody, this is Osama here once again with a fun learning activity for you and your kids. Today's activity is based on science with a lot of sensorism. The name of this activity is a rubbery goop. It has a bit of science of non-Newtonian fluids. Let's have a look at the material that we need and then let's start the activity. The material that we need is a cup full of baking soda, half a cup of corn flour, 1 cup full of water, a wooden spatula, powdered food color, and a saucepan or any container that you can later heat. Now, we'll add the baking soda into the saucepan, we'll add the corn flour into it, and we'll mix it well enough so there are no lumps. Now add water into it. But remember, adding less water into it may convert it into oblak. And we'll add the food color. You can use any food color. I personally love yellow color. Keep mixing it. Make sure there are no grains of the baking soda left. By the way, any non-Newtonian fluid or oblak is a fluid which does not follow the laws of viscosity of Newton, which means the thickness of a fluid is not independent to flow and can easily change its form when applied external pressure or stress. Now, we'll put it on heat until all the water evaporates and it turns into something rubbery. Now, after putting it on heat for a while and stirring it continuously so there are no lumps, this is what I have now. Now I need to knead it so there are no air pockets left into it. And for that, I need to spread it on this tray. Make sure when you're doing it with kids, be very careful. So what I'll do is I'll just spread it out over this tray and then I'll try to knead it as much as I can so all the air pockets are eliminated. Knead it all over. I'll flip it. I'll do it on the back side, on the front side. I'll do it in my hands. And here we are with our mushy, fluffy, rubbery goop, which is all ready to play with. So, I'm done with my goop here and it's your turn now to make yours with your kids. Stay connected with Candy Club online for more fun and learning activities. Stay tuned.